Now, to start things off, what we're going to do is we're going to come to canva.com over here, as you can see. Now, once we're over here, what you're going to do is you are simply going to go over to create a design. And once you click on this, down here, you can see logo. If you don't see that, just type in logo. And once you type in logo, it's going to come here. So we're going to click on logo. And once you click on logo, it loads things up like this. Now, once things are loaded up, what's going to happen from here is it's going to give us the logo to work on. It's going to give us the logo to actually access things on. And it's really easy to work with it. It's really easy to access all the things on it. So once we are over here and once we have some things to work with, what we are going to want to do from here is we're simply going to go over to the background. Now, once we access the background, you're going to want a solid background color, okay? Because without a background color, you won't be able to, get the actual design worthy things into your art. So let's go with a dark background color like that.